Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today I'm with the Japan Racing JR26. So this wheel is available in diameters from 15 inch all the way up to 18s, and in widths from 8 inches all the way up to 10. As for PCDs, they start off at 4x100, so perfect for like MX-5s, E30s, that sort of thing. Then you can go all the way through the ranges up to 5x120, so for your BMWs or that sort of thing. This wheel here is finished in the standard machine silver with a polished lip and chrome bolts. As for colours, they're only available in white centres with a polished lip or gold with a polished lip. So only 3 colour options, but a good looking wheel. It's the sort of wheel that will look really good on like an MX-5. With an 8 you still get some dish, it's a good flat face, so it's a stylish, simple design.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.